Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start with the essentials, a saved game near your books and a book selected. You will press the drop bind immediately. On most controls, this is the context or drop key. Once done, face a flat surface or container so placement logic has predictable results. Make sure to hold the book steadily. If the game uses aim or cursor, keep it centered. This first action ensures the engine registers a drop event rather than a throw or pickup. Now refine placement. Adjust your camera and aim so the book lands where you want it. If the game differentiates tap versus hold, tap to gently place and hold to propel it. Choose based on outcome. Once you drop, observe physics and collision. Some books will snap to edges, others bounce. Anticipate sliding on slopes. If stacking, drop at low speed and align edges to let the engine auto-stack. Repeat with small adjustments until positioning is consistent and predictable. Finish by verifying the book shows the correct state, readable, stacked, or stored. If it lands wrong, pick it up and reattempt with a slight aim correction. If that fails, revert to a quick save and retry. Make sure to check keybinds and physics options if drops behave oddly and disable mods that alter item physics for troubleshooting. One key tip: test with a single book in a quiet area to isolate what the engine does before mass dropping books.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.